Singer, the Angel, went through several rough patches in her life, but she used this as the primary motivation behind her hit single Stronger in 2009. Let's hear the backstory behind this hit song in our Fiwi Culture segment.
This is the Angel, the lady of dancehall, reggae and dancehall music of Fiwi Culture. And so, Stronger with me hit rock bottom. It rock bottom, I never knew I'd come up back. So, Sons of Spoon Records gave me a call and he said, "The Angel, I have a song for you." So which song now? Because at the time I was going through so much in my personal life. When I heard the song, I'm like, wow. I did some tweaking to it. I'm like, wow, wow. I went in the studio the same time because it narrates my life and everything I go through.
The angel, the anger, that's my name. I float away stress, I float away pain, I float away hurt, I float away shame.
Stronger has definitely, gave me a lot of respect in this industry, in this space, because a lot of men were coming at me, women were coming at me too, and I had to stand strong. And people can relate to you when you are strong. They will beat you down in the waist when they turn up strong, they're going to say, all right then, you have to accept her. So Stronger was my acceptance song. The song was produced by Sons of Spoon Records and the song was recorded by Danny Champagne Studios. May his soul rest in peace. At the time we were doing a lot of work together. So yeah, that's where the magic happened.
My ladies, be wise and be smart. When you build a mind to join, you must build a mind to part. When you give your all to men, they will turn and break your heart.
That song Stronger has definitely let the world start looking at me in a different light. It went, I think, #1 in New York on some charts over there, the New York charts. Every station it went #1 on. Once it's a music station, it went #1. I started getting a lot of corporate attention. I got signed. I got so much deals. I got Ray and Nephew signed me to do G-Force. I was signed with Coca-Cola. It was so massive for me. And then how I got the Coca-Cola deal too, when I went in the high schools, the amount of love that I got, the screams, the forward, I get never normal on the tour. It was just an amazing time for me. And it's a blessing, yeah.
We recently asked some university students, what would be the first car you purchased when you left school? Let's get the answers in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
First car would probably be would I say a Voxy or a CRV.
Why?
I mean, you know too much, you understand, and it's comfortable. So basically a Voxy or a CRV.
First car, alright. Honestly, I don't go for nothing too big. So I probably go for like a Swift or one of them fit there. You know, design it up and make it look neat on the road.
What's a sick mom's on the road?
Yeah, man, you know, you have to represent, you know.
First car, what I say a Mark X 2020 version, you know, because image very important, you know what I say, and I feel like that give me the image I need just out of college.
A chopper image?
Well, no, you know, that's the stereotypical view, but no, and a chopper just the image.
Well, personally, I love comfort and performance, so I'd go with a Honda Civic or Honda Accord, you know. Right in between, you know, not too much, not too little. Yeah, man, just perfect.
Realistically, Jano, ideally would want a Porsche still, but realistically, would I settle for a Honda, you know. Cliche, but yeah, probably a car, you know what I mean? Yeah, some calm see, you know what I mean?
So for our other university viewers out there, what would be your first car when you left school? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree The Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, the comments section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
And that's how we say goodbye to this week's episode of Pree The Show, my side. You don't know I'm your boy Naldo Addy, and I'll see you guys next week. Marcus, respect. One nanny. Paul Bogle, Pree.